Hey guys, here another MKZ. This tends to be the problem with these cars. I run into a lot of this out there for them. These parchment leather seats tend to take a good beating. I'll show you how to clean that up real quick. First thing to do, give a good clean. Next thing to do, cover the areas you don't want to paint. Next, shake your paint. Spray your paint evenly, lightly. Keep spraying light coats so you cover your surface. Nothing heavy, nice and light. And one last coat for good measure. Ta-da! Thanks for watching Magic Man. We're all cleaned up, good as new. Thanks for watching Magic Man.